Okay, so I just went shopping at Sephora and I got this Glow Recipe Fruit Babies, which looks really cool. And now I'm gonna open it and test it out. So first I'm opening the box. I really don't know why, but Glow Recipe is really hard to open for me. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, so right off the bat, it came with this. It's it's tinted serum, but it's in like this little pouch, and it's like watermelon. So that's cool. And then this is that. I don't want it to fall out, so I'm doing it like this. So the first thing that's in it, so we have all of these fruits on the box. So there's blueberry, guava, avocado, watermelon, and plum. So I'm excited for all this. So first, this is the blueberry one. It's cleanser, and it looks really cool, so I'm excited for this. Ooh, it has a little seal on it. Okay, we're gonna do that later. It also comes with this cream, and this is the plum one. And it's like, it looks like a lip mask. Oh, but it's not. It's like jiggly. That's weird. I also have this avocado serum. It's recovery serum. And then there's these watermelon dew drops, which look cool. It's like, but they're like mini. Like I think I have the normal ones of these, but this one is just mini, so that's cool. Also, this is really pretty cheap, by the way, for all it came with. And this is this is toner. It's watermelon. And then there's this one, which is in a really small package. It looks like super glue. Should I be concerned about that? But it's the guava gel cream. So I'll be right back to test them all out.